Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study chapter 1 of science, living things. Where do plants come from? First of all, we will study parts of a plant and their functions. As you know that fruits, stem, leaves and flowers are main parts of a plant. Now look at the picture and label the parts of a plant. First part of plant is root. Second one is stem. Third is leaves. Fourth, flowers. And then fruits. Number 1. Roots. Root is an underground part of a plant. Roots absorb water and mineral salt from the soil. Look at the picture. These are some pictures of roots. Number 2. Stem. Stem provides support to the plant. Stems store food material. Stem conduct water and mineral salt to all part of the plant and store food material. Leaves. Usually leaves are green in color. They prepare food for plant with the help of sunlight. The green leaves become yellow when they do not get food. These are leaves of different plants. Flowers. Most of the plants bear flowers. Most flowers are colored. They help in fruit and seed formation. Here are some pictures of flowers: lily, rose flowers, sunflower. Fruits. Usually flowers change into fruits. Fruits are used as food. Now we are going to start the second chapter, which is living thing, the wonderful world of plants. Students, as we know that plants are living thing, they are very helpful for us. They give us shade, coolness and wood. They also gives us food. Now we will study classification of plants. Look at these pictures. Some plants grow big. Some plants remain small. Plants grow in different sizes. Look at these pictures. Here are some plants with different sizes. Plants grow in different sizes. Look at this picture. Neem tree, coconut tree, pine tree, mango tree. Trees are big plants. They are tall and strong. Some plants are big, tall and strong like neem tree, coconut tree and pine tree etc. There are some small plants too. These plants include flower plants, corn plants, vegetable plants and grasses. Most of these plants live for one season only. Here are some pictures of small plants. Okay students, hope to see you soon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.